What if I told you the tech industry you know today is not the same as it was 5 years ago? And 5 years from now, it will be different yet again. The tech world is in a constant state of flux, with the pace of change only accelerating. The latest revolution in this dynamic landscape? Artificial intelligence. From automating mundane tasks to powering complex systems, AI is quickly becoming a cornerstone of the tech industry. It's not just limited to tech either. Healthcare, finance, entertainment, you name it. AI is transforming how we approach problems and create solutions in virtually every sector. As we move forward, this new era of AI is creating a surge in demand for skills that were once considered niche. Now, they're becoming mainstream. The job market is increasingly looking for individuals with a strong understanding of AI concepts and applications. So, with AI being the future of tech, how do you prepare yourself to land that first job in this evolving industry? The AI revolution